Good morning, students. Welcome to the series of lesson number 14, Air Around Us. And in the previous video, we have discussed about the air, properties, uses. And today in this video, we will discuss about the uses of air, where air is useful for us. Yes, beta, first point you have seen windmill. Have you ever seen windmill? Yes, too many windmills are there, and these windmills, when the air moves, then this moving air or wind, what they do, they move the blade of the windmill. Moving windmill has blades, and moving air help the blades to move. And beta, when the blades move, they help to produce electricity. And even they are used to take out water from the wells. And even in some places we use these windmill to run floor mill to. Yes, so there are too many uses of wind. First, what use we have done? We have done first use, that moving air or wind moves the blade of a windmill. You can see windmill in this diagram. As in this diagram, windmill has how many blades are there? 4 blades. And when the air blows very fast, what happens? These blades rotate quickly, and they help to produce electricity, and they help to produce water. They help to take out water from the wells. In this way, beta, we can save electricity also. Second point, wind helps balloons and kites to fly. As you have seen, it is very, when you fly kite in the air, when no wind is there, then you can't able to fly the kite in the sky. So it means wind helps kite to fly. Third point, if the wind is blowing, what happens? The wind takes seeds of the plants from one place to another, and those seeds help in producing new plant in too many places. In this way, wind helps different types of plants to grow in the new places. And when the wind is moving, your wet clothes dry very much quickly. So moving air dries wet clothes quickly. It helps in transportation also. You have seen it. Moving air helps boat to sail in water. You are watching sailboat in the diagram. And when wind blows, they help the boat to sail in water. It provides medium for sound. When we are speaking, if no wind is there, you can't able to listen anything. If whatever I am speaking, if wind is not there in between me and you are not able to listen to me. And last point, it balances the temperature on the earth. It balances the temperature on the earth. Yes, if carbon dioxide is more present on the earth, then it absorbs heat, and then it increases the temperature of our earth. In this way, if carbon dioxide and oxygen is there, both present in the air, it balances the temperature on the earth. Okay, and now we need clean air to breathe. Clean air to breathe, हम सांस लेते हैं बेटा. It is very much important. If the air is not clean, it contains impurities, then what will happen? We will fall sick. So, if we have to be healthy, then what we have to do? We have to keep air clean. We don't have to pollute the air. Okay, air becomes dirty or impure when too many vehicles are there on the road, when too many factories are there, when you will burn crackers, then what will happen? A black smoke will be released, which will pollute our air, which will mixes with the air and then pollute the air. So we have to keep our air fresh. What we have to do to make air fresh? We have to grow new and new, more and more plants. We don't have to cut down the trees. We don't have to burn the garbage. We don't have to burst the cracker. And we have to make factories away from the cities. And we have to try our best to move vehicle less on the road. How we can do this step? We can use buses more. We can use cycle if we have to go nearby our house, then we have to go by cycle. Okay, beta. So from today you have to take pledge that we will grow more and more plants. Okay, beta. Bye. Bye, beta.